Today I will discuss some typical questions and answers on computer science and programming. The first question is, find the odd one out. Option 1 C, next Java, assembly language and machine language. So there are four options: C, Java, assembly language and machine language. The answer is machine language, as it is the only language comprised of zeros and ones. Computer can understand only machine language. Next question. What is the brain of a computer system? The answer is CPU, that is Central Processing Unit. As it is clear from this picture, there are basically three typical units in a computer system. First, input unit, second, CPU or Central Processing Unit, and third, output unit. This unit, CPU, called Central Processing Unit, is called the brain of a computer system. So let us come to the next question. Question number 3. What is the full form of OCR? OCR. The answer is OCR. The answer is optical character recognition. Optical character recognition. Next, what is the full form of OMR? OMR. Its full form is optical mark recognition. Optical mark recognition. Next, what is the full form of MICR? The answer is magnetic ink character recognition. What is the full form of MICR? The answer is magnetic ink character recognition. So I repeat. First, it was OCR. The answer is optical character recognition. Next, it was OMR. The answer is optical mark recognition. And lastly, it was MICR. The answer is magnetic ink character recognition. Magnetic ink character recognition. Question number 4. Which device is used for recognizing the characters in a commodity in a departmental store? Which device is used for recognizing the characters in a commodity in a departmental store? The answer is barcode reader. As it is clear from this picture, this is barcode reader. This is basically an input device. To be more specific, an optical device. It is used to capture and read information stored in a barcode. This is barcode. By getting the amount of reflected light, barcode reader basically it contains three things. One is scanner, next a decoder and a cable. So here the right answer is barcode reader. Next question number 5 and 6. 5. Which device is used for scanning the question sheet having multiple choices? Which device is used for scanning the question sheet having multiple choices? And question number 6 is, which device is used for reading characters written on a bank check? Which device is used for reading character written on a bank check? The first answer is OMR. You see, this is a picture of OMR. As I have already told, this is optical mark recognition. Next answer is MICR. MICR, its full form is magnetic ink character recognition. See, this is a bank check. This is basically MICR code. This code is written using a pen which contains iron particles. Whenever this check is submitted to a bank, it is one MICR is used to scan this check. See, this is MICR, this is bank check, this instrument is MICR, magnetic ink character recognition. Next question is, find the odd man out. Microphone, MICR, OMR, OCR. Microphone, MICR, OMR, OCR. The answer is microphone, as it is the only audio video device. The rest are optical devices. Means all other three are optical devices, namely MICR, OMR, OCR. So the odd man out is the microphone here. Next question number 8. Name one soft copy output device. Name one soft copy output device. The answer is either monitor or projector. Monitor or projector. Next, name one hard copy output device. Name one hard copy output device. The answer is printer or plotter. Printer or plotter. Printer or plotter. Question number 10. What is the central nervous system of a computer? What is the central nervous system of a computer? The answer is control unit. You see in this picture, under CPU, there is a unit, control unit. This is called central nervous system of a computer system. Question number 11. Which of the following is not an output device? Which of the following is not an output device? Printer, plotter, scanner, speaker. Printer, plotter, scanner, speaker. Answer is scanner, because the remaining all the devices are output devices. Only scanner is the input device, that is, this is not an output device. Next question, question number 12. 1 MB equal to dash bytes, and question number 13, 1 TB equal to dash bytes. That means 1 megabyte is equal to how many bytes, and 1 terabyte is equal to how many bytes. You see, 1 megabyte equal to 1024 KB means kilobyte, and 1 kilobyte equal to 1024 bytes. That means 1 MB equal to 1024 into 1024 bytes. Similarly, 1 TB equal to 1024 GB, 1 GB is equal to 1024 MB, 1 MB is equal to 1024 KB, and 1 KB is equal to 1024 bytes. So 1 terabyte or TB is equal to 4 times product of 1024. That means 1024 whole to the power 4, and 1024 equal to 2 to the power 10. So 1 TB equal to 2 to the power 10 to the power 4 bytes, which is equal to 2 to the power 40 bytes. Question number 14. What is a nibble? A nibble is a combination of 4 bits. And what is a bit? A bit is the smallest and basic unit to represent data, any data. For example, 0 is a bit, 1 is a bit. So a nibble is a combination of 4 bits. 1010, this is a nibble, or 0001, this is also a nibble, etc. Next question. Question number 15. What are the full forms of RAM, RAM, and ROM, ROM? What is the full form of RAM and ROM? RAM is random access memory, and ROM is read only memory. RAM, its full form is random access memory, and ROM, its full form is read only memory. So random access memory is RAM, read only memory is ROM. Question number 16. Give examples of few softwares. Give examples of few softwares. Examples are Adobe Photoshop, MS Office, VLC Media Player, Mac operating system, compiler, interpreter, etc. Next question. Define operating system. Give 4 examples. Define operating system. Give 4 examples. Operating system is a system software. It works as an interface between users and hardware. Its main objective is to make computer system convenient to use and to utilize the computer hardware in an efficient manner. To make computer system convenient to use and to utilize computer hardware in an efficient manner. Examples of operating system, as you know, Mac operating system, Windows operating system, Linux, etc. Windows 7, Windows 10, etc. Next question. Is operating system a software? Why? Yes, operating system is a software. As I already told, This is a system software. Actually, software is a set of programs which tells the hardware what to do and how to do. Thus, software is an important interface between hardware and users. Software is an important interface between hardware and users. Computer system, two major components, hardware and software. Software may be further divided into two groups, system software and application software. Operating system belongs to system software. Next, as you see here, system software can be further classified into two groups: computer management purpose, developing software purpose. Under computer management purpose, you see there is operating system, and other divisions are utility programs, device drivers, and under developing software purpose, you see programming languages, different languages, translator, linker, loader, etc. So operating system is a software.